Stock footage elements like fire or smoke almost always come with a black background. The standard approach has always been to set the blending mode to screen or add to remove the black background. This works some of the time, but it creates problems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly remove a black background in After Effects. So insert your footage onto your timeline and make sure your blending mode is set to normal. Then go up to Effects and search for the Unmult effect and drag it onto your layer. Immediately the black background is gone, but there's a few more controls we should address to make sure this is done properly. The first control is background color. It's black by default, and if your stock element has a white background instead of black, just switch this to white and the effect can handle both. The black level, this is how you control your threshold. If there's still dark fringes around the edges of your element, raise this value to remove the remaining black until it's gone. And finally, softness. This controls the gradient between transparent and opaque areas. The higher the value gives you a more smoother blend along the edges, and the lower value gives you kind of a harder cutoff. And that's how you remove those black backgrounds inside of After Effects. And if you're a creator with footage, photos, or motion graphics just sitting on your hard drive, make sure to apply to creatorrestock.com where you can sell your old projects and make some passive income. And I'll see you in the next video.